So the next question says, thank you so much, Kabbalah Rav, for the answers. Could Kabbalah Rav please recommend us some Halachos book for Modesty and Yichud, please? Thank you.
There is I saw this book. Me personally, I do not have Modesty and Yichud. I need to think about it. Me personally, I don't think I have any, because my knowledge is, and it's good. I'm sure that there are some. At least on the Yichud for sure I saw. I never bought it, so maybe. But the only things I learned in Shulchan Aruch, but it would be, I think, very very practical to go to the this kind of compilation from ArtScroll, if they have. I think they have one. I think I saw that. I never bought it because I have so many books that I want to learn, and it's they're standing on my shelf, unfortunately. So many topics. Baruch HaShem. Okay, but yeah. So, but we can look up for sure. There are books. Okay. Okay.
Thank you, Rabbi.
Yes, you're welcome.